This show is brought to you by Millennium Tree Stands, Extreme Archery Products, and Ramcat Broadheads.
Welcome to Frog's Taxidermy Adventures. I am Frog Mullis. I was born and raised in Middle Georgia, and in that time, I have hunted most everything that walks the woods. I am the owner of Frog's Buckshot Taxidermy, so you can see that wildlife of Georgia is my life. If I am not mounting a trophy for someone, then I'm out pursuing one of my own. So come join me in my adventures. Welcome to Frog's Taxidermy Adventures. Today we're going to kind of go over what we've been doing today. We had a customer bring us a grizzly bear, and he wants it mounted life size. So today Andrew has he's finished getting the hide ready, sewed up all the holes, got it ready. It's wet tan, and so we've got the hide ready. And we've been working on the form during the day, got the form ready. We put the artificial nose on, we put the jaw set in, we've got everything roughed up, we've got the armpits cleaned out and everything, so whenever we tuck the skin we got a place to put them. And we're fixing to go ahead and attach the two body halves together. And what we're going to do, we're going to foam it. And so once we get all this done today, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll be ready to start mounting. Alright, this morning we back over here. We worked all day yesterday. We got the hide ready, we got the form ready, got everything ready to go, so we're fixing to get started on him. This is a McKenzie grizzly bear form, a RM 168 open mouth, and we're gonna get him going and gonna show you some of the steps of mounting the grizzly bear. This is Richie Cadenhead. He come down, he's going to help us mount this bear today. He brought his mounting cradle, and he's done a good many of them, so we're going to get him to give us a hand on getting this bear mounted today. Thanks for coming down, Richie.
We've test fitted the skin onto the form, and I have traced out a place on here where the ears go, and now I'm going to cut them out.
Alright, we got the eyes in, we got everything ready on the form, we got the hide ready for it, so we're fixing to get it over here and get it put in. Alright, we got him on the mountain cradle now, and got the head bagged up so it won't dry out. and we're fixing to start doing all this sewing. It's going to take us a while, so bear with us. Alright, we've got all the legs sewed up. We sewed it up to the point right here where it was split. Each point here, then we sewed up each leg. We got the back leg sewed up. All we got left is this main seam up the center. And what we're going to do now, we're fixing to get our hide paste, and we're going to get all the hide paste around inside of the form, and then sew this on up and start working on his head. Alright, we got all the hide paste in him, got him completely sewed up. Now all we got to do is finish his mouth, his nose, and his eyes. So we're going to put him on the base, stand him up, so we can do all that with him like that. Alright, we're ready to go.
I just got through tucking the eye skin around the eyes. Now I'm cutting the skin off from around the nose, and I'm going to replace the skin to the edge of the nose and glue it down. And then I'm going to come around and I'm going to cut the lip skin, and I'm going to tuck the lip skin up around where it goes.
What are you doing?
Right now I'm finished tucking the lips on this bear, and when we get through tucking the lips on this bear, we're going to go over the bear and we should be completely finished with it.
Alright, we got everything finished up, got the face done, got it all ready to go. We're going to take this leaf blower and blow him up good, and he'll be ready to go. We've got him finished up, we've gone over him. He's got it done. All we got to do is just let him dry, watch him for a couple of weeks, let everything dry, and he'll be ready to finish.
We got the bear, is almost dry. We got green habitat material. We got a walnut OF WB30 octagon base from McKenzie. We got some rocks, we got some driftwood, we got 2-part foam material that spans up. We're gonna get him, we're gonna build the habitat since he's almost dry, get him done.
Double time.
Is that somebody? Oh. Need a Ross? Yeah. May not go down there.
We got the base, it's kicked, we got the rock sunk down in there. Now we're gonna start adding the green habitat.
This here what it's going to look like in the end.
Okay, he's done dried for a couple of weeks, and we're fixing to start doing the finish work in the mouth and the finish work around the nose and around the eyes, and then we'll have him finished up. That concludes the mounting of the grizzly bear. We're fixing to load him up and carry him to the customer. Thank y'all for watching Frog's Taxidermy Adventures. Stay tuned, we'll have more webisodes to come. We'll have more hunts and we'll have more mounting on here, so give us a look, Frog's Taxidermy Adventures. If you got any comments or anything you'd like to see, just leave us a comment. Thanks for watching.
If you like this show, check out our other shows at hunt365.tv.